上步揽雀尾. Step forward and grab bird's tail. So I do it in front of the camera. Side so you can see. Okay. So you are in a punch forward position. You are lunging with your left leg in the front, solid right hand as a fist punching forward, left hand as a open palm, and guarded. Relax, release your right fist to an open palm, and then relax your waist, dropping buttocks and sit. Okay. So your right arm was extended. Your left hand and your left arm are close to your body. So as you relax and sit, you try to stay. This position, this place is where both hands will meet. So as you sit, you are bringing your right arm with your body. At the same time, you're adjusting your left arm so they will eventually meet like this. Okay? So again, open your right fist to an open palm and then adjusting. So there's there, connected. Okay. So this motion is extending your arms and also extending your back sideways. So I'll see if you can see it on the camera if I do it closer. So, okay, this one. So as I'm sitting, my both hands is joined. Okay. So you see that I'm not just pushing my arms out, okay, or I am not close, bending my shoulders. I don't know how to do it wrong, but I'm actually extending these. Okay, you see, there's the bones here, and there's a muscle on the sideways. So I'm stretching these out to get extension of my arm. Yeah. So see if you can see it on the camera. Black. Okay, so extending it. You see, I'm not. If I only bend my shoulder, you see it differently. Okay. Yeah, that's how it's done. Okay. At the same time, your left toe, as you extending your back horizontally, your left toes up, and then release your back So your toes down. So it's something like this. Okay. Notice that I'm not just bringing up my elbows. I'm bringing up my elbows because I'm stretching all the way. So we actually give a little push from this side. And then release. And then transform from a sitting back to a lunging. Okay. So you are sitting and then back to lunging. So at this time, your hand stays at the same point. Yeah, so something like this. So it's try to stay. So it is a matter of coordinating about how to extend or shrink your arms while you are moving forward and backward with your body. Okay, so if that's your hands too slow, your hands too fast, okay, or hands too slow, you have to kind of do it at the same time. And then release your right leg, and then sit. And right toes up, right toe down, and your hands transform from this A shape. Okay, as your toes down, you transform from this to this. Okay, your tips, your fingers are connected, and then as you toes down, you goes like this. And then we will adjust as the grab burst tail. Lunging 20-45 degrees left, and then rotate your hip, turning your 45 degrees to your right. Rotate your hands so your hands are upright. Relax your waist, dropping buttocks, and sit. You're still facing 45 degrees to your right, which is your northwest, and then rotate your body back to your west. You're facing west now. So do that again. Relax your right hand. Sit. Lunging, and now back to sit. Transform. Now grab burst tail.